Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Ergonomic Keyboard. Number 5, Amazon Basics Wired Keyboard. Low-profile keys provide a quiet, comfortable typing experience. Hotkeys enable easy access for media, My Computer, mute, volume down, volume up, and calculator. 4 function keys control previous track. Simple wired USB connection, works with Windows 2000, XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10. Backed by 1-year Amazon Basics warranty. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging. Number 4, Fellows Microband Split Design Wired Keyboard. Microband antimicrobial protection keeps product cleaner. Conforms to natural arm and hand positions for added comfort. Seven additional hotkeys for multimedia control and one-touch internet access. Internet must be connected. USB connectivity, no software required for Windows Vista and Windows 7. For Windows 98 say, 2000 and me, download function software. Compatible as plug-and-play device with Windows operating systems. Number 3, Parox Spearboard 512 Ergonomic Split Keyboard. Split key and 3D design conforms to your natural arm and hand positions. Integrated palm rest design support your wrist's comfort position. The tactile keystroke is designed in order to reduce pressure when you press the keys and to give you the benefit to type more comfortable. Plug-and-play keyboard with USB interface and 6.0 FT cable, built-in with 7 multimedia hotkeys. System requirements: Windows 7, 8, 10. Wired USB connection. Package includes Spearboard 512. The ergonomic split keyboard is different from the traditional desktop keyboard. Number 2, Kinesis Freestyle Pro Quiet Ergonomic Split Mechanical Keyboard. Award-winning split design. Advanced ergonomics for all body types and preferences via adjustable split display. Genuine cherry mechanical switches for premium typing feel and performance with less noise. Full onboard programmability with the driver-loose SmartSet engine, 9 custom layouts, 8 office hotkeys, on-the-fly macro recording. Plug and play with all major operating systems, Windows 7, 10, Mac OS X, Linux, Chrome. Two-year manufacturer's warranty. Buy with confidence knowing that Kinesis engineers all our products in the USA to the highest. Number 1, Microsoft Natural Ergonomic Keyboard 4000 Wired. Split ergonomic design encourages natural hand, wrist, and forearm positions. Cushion palm rest provides support and promotes a neutral wrist position. Palm lift promotes a relaxed, natural angle for your wrist. Media keys for music and video control. For retail split, ergonomic design encourages natural hand, wrist, and forearm positions.